You guys are seeing my screen, yeah? Okay. Presentations here, say if let's say whichever whatever designs that you pick, let's say I pick this one here. Okay, I start a scratch one. See or not this magic design. Okay, this is the new features, which is magic design. Oh, of course, before we put on this, you can see here they are all different type of design. So once you put your mouse on it, before you choose it, then it already tells you what are the designs like. Okay, so whether you can choose it or you want to have a glance first, like 1 of 11. So meaning this one has 11 designs, or if you're still not sure, you can just click on it first. So then these are all the slides here. Okay. So if you want to use this particular one, then you just put apply all 12 pages in. Then it will create for you the whole thing. So all you need to do is you just need to change all these words, what are the, maybe some pictures. So again, when you want to change pictures, you just go to, like if let's say for this one, I want to change this particular pictures. Yeah. So what I do is same thing. I go and look for photos. Okay. So here, then you will replace auto. Okay. This one here, I think is fixed. That's why. So as long as it can change, then you will have this purple color box. Okay. So this is where that you can change the photos. All right. So this is one where, from here you can pick whatever you want, do all sort of designs that you want, okay? And then if let's say after when you've done it halfway, you feel like you do not like this particular design, so what you can do is go back to the design again, and then now you look for different design. Okay, say. Okay, again, apply all. Then it will help you to replace all already. Okay. Very easy to use. So the changes part is exactly like how the poster just now. Okay. And then let's explore these new features. All right. This one is truly awesome. Say now I want it to create presentations. Say I have a new products. Okay, maybe I have a cleanser. Okay, I have a cleanser where it contains of vitamin C, and I want to emphasize on whitening effect, and then after use already feeling soft and uh, and smooth. Okay, I'll say maybe here I want to put this as a marketing strategy for new product. Okay, cleanser, vitamin C, whitening, Okay, these are few keywords that I want. Okay, so after when I've done, so it start generating this for me now. Then I can choose, okay, which design that I want. So I think I prefer this one. Okay. So this is, see the heading. All right. So target market. So the best part is it can even tell me, to see it already done a marketing plan for me. Okay. Can see or not? It's not very clear. Okay. And then unique selling points. Okay. Proposition. So introducing our new cleanser with vitamin C and whitening product that leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth. Try it now. Okay, benefits. So vitamin C to do what? Whitening skin, wow, okay. Gentle cleanser remove impurities from skin. Benefits. So, and if let's say I think that, wow, this is good enough already, I no need to do anything. I don't need, no need to change anything. Okay. So then, so who are my competitors? What are the potential things that I need to look at? Okay. So it has, so maybe what I need to do is I just change some photos. So if I want to use this, everything is all sounds okay to me. So what I do is I just create my presentation. Where is it? Where does it go? Okay. So here, powerful, right? So powerful, okay? So then here, same thing. If I want to change these photos, then I will just go, I just go on, I just do change photos. Let me get the, yeah. Okay, same thing. I'll look for the photos or any elements to change. Okay, I just simply pick anything. So when you see that if let's say it doesn't automatically replace, then you just adjust the box will do. Okay. So then when I do a presentation, then I just pick on, this is a presentation with full screen or presenters view, all this, you just pick which one that you want. Okay. So when I present it, yeah. So that's why actually for this one here, it already applied the AI features already. Okay, so this is on presentation. So easy, right? What else? Say now for this one, I want to add a video. Okay, so same thing here. Then now over here, I will just come and look for photos. Maybe this one is I want to look for video. So these are some videos, or maybe we have recorded, same thing, we can always upload it. Okay. Let me see what are the, actually it has some, okay. Let me see what are the, okay, well, this one no. Okay, let me upload a video. I just show you how to edit. This is my AI that I use. I created through AI. No, this is too long. Yeah, this one. Okay. This person is created through AI, from script, from voice, everything is all through AI. Okay. That was when I was playing with ChatGPT. Okay. And then see, if let's say for this one I want to do some edit. Okay. I want to edit this video, or I want to cut the length. Okay, so I can do it here already, and say when I edit this video, these are the colors, how I want it to be seen. So intensity, okay. So this is like editing the photos, okay. Or this is to trim, okay. or maybe I can crop. Okay, so of course the crop is actually where uh, like this one here, so I can just do it. Okay, so this is just like photos lah, huh? And then you can also the volumes. Okay, if let's say now I do not want this, I do not want the volume from the video, but I can add on the audios here. So this is where we can add audios. There are many ready musics. Okay, you can choose. They are happy or upbeat or what, so then you can simply just pick one. And then now this is here already. Okay. Um, okay, we have to edit a bit on the where where do I edit? Sorry, I don't know why I cannot find because we can trim the audio. Let me put on another one in case I forget how. Mm, mm, how come I cannot find the sorry, because okay.
It's okay.
So this one here, once this is where I decide, where is when I want to start. Okay. So once I've done it, okay, I confirm that I want this, then I'll just leave it. So let me try this now. Okay. Okay. Right, so this is on videos and audios. Okay, so you can choose all this here. You can edit your videos or just use the voice or anything. So if you do not want this video this audio anymore, then you just delete it off. Okay, and then what else that it can be done, say it has this draw as well. So if you want to draw something, then yeah, this is just like what we use on other apps lah. Okay, you can just choose what are the pen you want, this thickness on the line. Okay, uh, and then your projects here is where, like, because I've used it I'm using many already, so I will have here like these are all my files. Okay, so you can put your files into folder, or you can so this is where all my designs is. Okay. So you can find all this here, or maybe you have different folders for different things. Okay, yeah. So yeah, this is where, okay, see what are the where you store all your files. Okay. So you can also invite teammates. Say you have different there are few people sharing a design. Okay, so you can also create a team, like maybe these particular designs you are sharing with other peoples as well. Okay, say for instance I have maybe this file. Okay, so I can add others teammate in as well. So from here, what you do is you copy this link, or you share to their add on to their email. Okay, so then it also allows you, like, whether when you share, what are the properties that can be edit, or can they just view, or they can edit as well. Okay, So here, then you just change, what are the things that they can do. Okay, so once you change all this already, you just copy the link. Then when I share this link with anyone, then the person can do, we can co-edit on the whole design. Okay, so this is where, that's why the for presentation or for designs also is very easy to use with this. Okay, and then what else? I think at the moment, these are some new features you can try on. So it's very interesting so that you get to use words to create pictures, or you get to like edit the photos. Like this one here is the new features. So yeah, see. Mm. Okay, so this is what it can be done. So there are a lot more to explore. Okay, so far okay.